Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to our channel, Pretty Little Claws. Today I'm going to be showing you mixed versions of French manicure. So I've already scored the nail and prepped the nail. I'm just about to add dehydrator. Using the Urban Graffiti Base Coat, I'm going to base coat these nails. Push up towards the cuticle, down the sides and capping that free edge. Okay, pop them in the lamp for 60 seconds, please. From the Nude Pink collection, I'm going to use French Cream as a base for my French polish designs. Pop in the lamp for 30 seconds, please. I'm going to go in with my second coat of this. Pop on the lamp, 30 seconds, please. Snow White 01 brush from Neo Nails. Start off with the centre of the nail. Little line. And then I'm going to go maybe a third. I'd say about a third. Another dot there. Another dot on the other side. And connect the dots. Don't shake. Oh my gosh. And if you wanted a deeper smile line, you could take it about a third from the bottom or top, the cuticle area, and bring it up the sides. And just aim for that middle bit again. And if you make any mistakes like I did there, you can clean off your brush with some residue wipe off solution and go back in. Clean brush and just neaten up those edges with a clean brush. And when you're happy with your smile line, pop it in the lamp. 30 seconds, please. So I'm gonna top coat that. Cap it. Pop it under lamp, 30 seconds, please. Pink pineapple. Cuticle oil. Rehydrate that. That is my first French manicure. First, I'm gonna use Miami Beach. I'm gonna start from the middle. And I'm going to go maybe a third of the way down, as I did before. Dots each side. And I'm going to go using the tip of the brush, a straight line. Or diagonal. And same on the other side. Pop it under lamp, 30 seconds please. And I'm going to top coat with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Cap in and pop that back in the lamp, 30 seconds please. So using pink pineapple on a pink nail. I'm going to use the nails ombre brush. Right, so for this nail I am going to use the Amethyst Fall. I'm going to do an ombre design. So I'm going to load my brush up and just paint maybe a third of the tip. It looks a bit like a French tip. And using the ombre brush, I'm going to drag down the nail. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this. Pop it under please, 30 seconds. And repeat that again. So paint the tip. Only needs to be thin. You don't want it too thick, so you don't want to bulk up the end of the nail. Drag it down. Cleaned my brush off. I'm just going to drag down a little bit more of that product. It's more of a fade. Go back in and pop a bit more on the end. Drag down a little bit more. Clean your brush off. Drag through again. Pop it under the lamp please. 30 seconds. The Urban Graffiti top coat. Push the cuticle down the length, down the sides, and cap that free edge. Pop it on a lamp, 30 seconds. Cuticle oil. There we go. A different type of French. So I'm going to be using Houdini for this one and the Neo Nails 003 striping brush. Drag from the tip of the nail into the nail and just join up the end. And repeat. This is going to be like a lace netting design. Thicken up the lines a little bit. There we go. And do like a crisscross. I'm going to pop that under lamp, 10 seconds, just to flash cure that. So using a slightly thinner brush, the 002, I've gone back into Houdini and I'm just going to start drawing some frilliness. Using a dotting tool, dip into Houdini. I'm going to do some little random dots going down the nail. Like so. And then using that thin brush again, just going to pull out some of the product. It's just like little droplets. Just adding a little bit of detail that I've missed off. Pop it under lamp please, 30 seconds. Then using the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to seal that design in. You could do this in any colour, it'll look really cute. Pop it in 30 seconds, and then with my pink pineapple cuticle oil, I'm going to rehydrate that nail. And there you have a random set of French manicured nails done in different styles. So we've got lace, ombre, like a chevron, and original. So let us know what you think of these designs, and all the products will be listed below. I'll see you next time. Bye!